Don't be scared. You wanna be the next Mark Zuckerberg? You wanna learn programming, web developing, coding? Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. So today I want to continue from where we stopped the last time. In our last video we learned about looping through a string, which was the last thing we learned, and today we want to continue from there. So in this video today we'll be learning only two things for today's video, which will be checking a string and then the length of a string. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So here it says string length. To get the length of a string, use the length function. That's the len function. So that's the short form of a length. So let's check the example below down here. So let's open it. You can see they say A is equals to hello world, which is in a quotation. And then if you wanna run this code or you wanna print the code out, you can add the words or the function of length, which is len, and then put whatever variable represents the word or the statement you are to run in a bracket, and then you run the code. So let's try the example and see how it works. So you can see, and those of you who don't understand what a length is about, if they say length of a string or the size of a string, simply refers to the number of characters that are in the string. So in this string, which is hello world, if you begin to count the number of characters in that string, in total it will give you 13. That is why if you run this code, you get a total of 13, which is the length of the string. So let's try another example and see how it goes. So let's clear this and put a different thing altogether. So let's say a woman, and a man. So let's run this and see what will be the length of this code. You can see here the length of this code is 9, meaning the total number of characters in this our string is 9. So you can begin counting the number of characters to confirm this our answer. So let's go back to the first page. So the next thing, which is checking a string. So to check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the word or the keyword in, just like in this example here. Check if free is present in the following text. So you can see in the text, which is equals to the best things in the life, the best things in life are free. Print free in the text. Let's try the example ourselves. The text is equals to the best things in life are free. Print free in text. What it means is that if free is present in the text, then the answer will automatically be true. If free is not present, then you get false as an answer. So in this scenario, free is actually present in the string, so you get true for an answer. Let's put something else, or let's remove the true and see what we get. Let's put good here. Then let's run this code and see how the outcome will be. You can see our answer is false, meaning true is not present in the string. So this is simple how you can check in a string, and then you can check the length of a string. I hope you've learned something today. So the two things we learned is the length of a string and then checking a string, which is simple and easy to do. So first of all, the length of a string is the number, or the size of a string is the number of characters present in the string. And then you want to check if a string is either true or false. You can just write the word print and then put it in a bracket, and then write the word they ask you to find, and then run the code to see whether it's true the word is present or not, and you get your answer. So this is what we'll be learning for today. I hope you've learned something. Send down your comments in the comment down below. If you have anything to verify or ask, let me know in the comment down below. I hope you keep supporting this channel so that we can share more videos on this platform. Thank you once again. If you haven't subscribed, do your best to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified as soon as possible. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Love you.